Hi, I'm Elise.
Hi, I'm Sam.
We've recently completed a renovation here in Melbourne, which is a modern heritage style. We've done it as an owner builder and I completed the design.
And I did the build.
So we used the Axon Cladding for the entire extension to contrast with the heritage facade. We also used the Axon as the cladding for the carport, which has the same modern gable form as the extension and contrasts nicely.
Also, we had an existing studio out the back, so all we had to do was batten over the existing blockwork and then clad over it for a modern look.
It achieved the fire rating we needed for building a wall on boundary. It also is a very slimline system compared to something like brick or blockworks.
With the boundary we have here, there's only a small 200mm gap between the old external wall of the building next door and our building, so I was able to build the frame on the ground, clad it and lift it up. This is because the product is quite lightweight and easy to manoeuvre. There's a few junction points that are usually quite tricky to do. So with the Axon cladding system, we could flash behind both parts of the new and the old wall for a nice slim look.
The Axon Cladding is a really good product to specify to achieve a contrast between heritage and modern. Because of its modern profile, it provides that juxtaposition between old and new.